This video shows the functionality of the maintenance functions of the GIT RTP canister tester manufactured by Dynamic Design Pharma. What you see here is the home screen, and I have logged in as a maintenance individual. Maintenance 1 is the function, and my name is MA1. As a maintenance person, I can go run a test cycle, for example, but I have no access to parameters, I have no access to utilities, and I have no access to the name functionality entry of the security system. I do have access, of course, to the maintenance area, and this screen has a number of buttons that allow you to actuate the various functions of the unit. Plus, it has a display of the pressure being measured inside of the canister, and it has also a display of the internal temperature of the canister. So if right now the canister is seeing 465 pascals. So if I want to increase the pressure inside of the canister manually, that is, I can turn on the inflate valve and the compressor, and you will see this pressure go up. There we go. And then I can shut that off. The K2 valve is the slow inflate valve. So if I want to inflate but more slowly the canister, then that's what I would turn on. If I want to test the K3 valve, which is the deflate valve, I turn that on, and you're going to see the pressure decay. There we go. It is a very slow decay because that's part of the leak test process functionality, to decay the pressure very, very slowly. As you can see, it decays only a few pascals at a time. And the last thing that can be tested here is the beeper. Make sure it's functioning properly. So that's the functionality of the maintenance of the system. Thank you.